Part 2 Islamiyat Core Knowledge 30 MCQs. Question number 31. What is the literal meaning of word Islam? इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है peace and submissions. Question number 32. How many holy pillars are there in Islam? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है 5. Question number 33. To which prophet was the Holy Quran revealed? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Question number 34. Who was the first male to accept Islam? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है हजरत अबू बकर रहमतुल्लाह अलैहि. Question number 35. What is the name of the first battle fought in Islamic history? इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है बैटल ऑफ बदर. In which city was the holy prophet Muhammad peace be upon him born? इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है मक्का. Question number 37. How many surahs are there in Holy Quran? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है 114. Question number 38. Fasting swam was made by compulsory in which hijri years? इसमें ऑप्शन बी आता है 2 हिजरी. Question number 39. Who compiled the Holy Quran into its first written book from? इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है हजरत अबू बकर रहमतुल्लाह अलैहि. What is the second pillar of Islam? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है सलाह प्रेयर नमाज. Question number 41. Which prophet is known as Abdul Bashar, father of mankind? इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है हजरत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम. Question number 42. How many times is the name of prophet peace be upon him mentioned in the Quran? इसमें ऑप्शन बी आता है 4 times. Question number 43. What was the relationship between Prophet Musa alayhi salam and Prophet Harun alayhi salam? इसमें ऑप्शन बी आता है brothers भाई. Question number 44. Which surah is considered the heart of the Holy Quran? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है सूरह यासीन. Question number 45. What is the number of total prophets mentioned by name in the Holy Quran? इसमें ऑप्शन बी आता है 26. Question number 46. The migrations to the Medina took place in which solar year? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है 622 AD. What is the primary source of Islamic law Sharia? इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है द होली कुरान. Question number 48. The relative rate of zakat on wealth kept on for 1 year is option C 2.5%. Who was the commander of the infidel in the battle of Badr? इसमें ऑप्शन बी आता है अबू जाहिल. Question number 50. In which cave did the Holy Prophet receive his first revelation? इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है केव हीरा गार हीरा में. Question number 51. How many total takbir are said in standard namaz janaza? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है 4. What was the name of the foster mother of the Holy Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him? इसमें ऑप्शन बी आता है हजरत हलीमा सादिया. Question number 53. Khatibul Anbiya was the title given to which prophet? इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है हजरत शुएब अलैहिस्सलाम. Question number 54. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah was written down by which companion? इसमें ऑप्शन डी आता है हजरत अली रहमतुल्लाह अलैहि. In which year of Hijrah was the conquest of Makkah achieved? اس میں آپشن سی آتا ہے 8 ہجری۔ Question number 56. What is the collective name given to the holy cities of Makkah and Medina? اس میں آپشن بی آتا ہے حرمین۔ Question number 57. How many verses ayats are there in Surah Al-Fatiha? اس میں آپشن سی آتا ہے 7۔ Question number 58. Which angel was responsible for bringing revolution to the prophets? اس میں آپشن اے آتا ہے حضرت جبرائیل علیہ السلام۔ Question number 59. Zamzam is a… Question number 60. Who was the third caliph Khalifa of Islam? اس میں آپشن سی آتا ہے حضرت عثمان علیہ السلام رحمۃ اللہ علیہ۔